Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be sewing this beautiful ruffled skirt. Link to purchase the pattern is in the description below. Once you have printed and assembled the pattern, cut the fabric according to the instructions provided. First, place the front and back of the skirt right sides together and sew. Next, take each pair of the semicircular ruffle pieces and sew them as shown in the video. And it should look something like this. I went ahead and searched the outer circumference of my semicircle just to make sure everything is clean. Now take the skirt and turn it right side out and attach the ruffles as shown in the video. My suggestion is to pin the midpoint and the tails first and then kind of stretching the fabric and making sure you're getting the full length of the skirt. Once again, don't be scared to stretch the fabric a little bit, just to make sure that you're getting it all. And repeat the same on the other side. Notice how I line up the sides and the ends first, and then kind of stretch the fabric and line everything else up. And it should look something like this. Now if you guys want a cute little butterfly skirt, then you can stop right over here, and if not, then go ahead and continue watching. Now take each pair of the front and back, bottom, side pieces and sew them as shown in the video. Now line up and pin the front, sides, and back right sides together as shown in the video. We're basically sandwiching the ruffles between the skirt and the side pieces. Once again, don't be scared to stretch the fabric a little bit. And repeat the same on the other side. I'm not going to be hemming this skirt today because the type of fabric I'm using is a non-fraying one, but if you want, you can incorporate hems at any point. Now go ahead and turn the skirt inside out and sew. And there you have it, you guys, a beautiful butterfly skirt ready for a party or office wear depending on the type of fabric you use. And once again, if you've enjoyed my video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And check out my Etsy store for more patterns. Until next time, you guys, goodbye and take care.